Rashid is asking what does it mean if we say asaba? After a lot of struggle, we came at this restaurant. Folk. Thank you, shukran. Allah is salmat. We have the mazboot. Fulfill. Sama, is this fulfill or are you fulfill? मिर्ची खा के क्या करोगे यार, अच्छा नहीं
मिर्ची नहीं होगी
ये इतना चेक करके बताएं कैसी. He say all is well that ends well, but some things didn't end well here. So why? Because he's cute. So he made an account in the stock exchange, and he will day the magha that we go to. Usually it's closed, so we are going to this Sudani magha. Let's see. ये क्या है? ये magha है. So we didn't like the coffee shop. Mission impossible. But Rashid is saying there are many Gava shops. Rashid. Asaba. Asaba. Yeah. Rashid is asking what does it mean if we say Asaba? Sama? No. Tell him. Asaba is. We'll tell you first in the first comment below. So after a lot of struggle, we came at this restaurant. They have the. Wait a second, I'll tell you. They have the green red tea. Yeah, red tea. They have red tea. And Rashid wants to eat, so Mahmood. So we order both for him, and we'll also have from him. And so Mazboot. What is Mazboot? I never heard that in Pakistan.
Pakistan is read Swat, and here in Arabic Dal.
Mazboot. So we are having Mazboot and also red tea. So Mamool.
Then Mahmood.
Rashid, do you like Mamool? You like Mamool?
Mahmood? I don't know Mahmood.
That's a sweet. But which they have. Mamool. Yeah, same like you. No, that will not be necessary. Folk. Thank you, shukran. Allah is salmat. Yeah, so the guy gave us a cue that our video is actually below. So it was like this. Now we are going to be like this. We have the mazboot. Yeah, bhai, milaga 3. Yeah. Fulfill. Sama, is this fulfill or are you fulfill? You are fulfill. If Rashid is Mamool और Rashid is fulfill. अच्छे है ना, ये ऐसे ही होता है.
एक सफेद के साथ ये
कैसा है?
तला साहब ये तो मैं फर्स्ट टाइम खा रहा हूँ.
ना करें यार, आप इतनी देर से इधर हैं. Why like this? Thank you भाई, आप पूछ रहे हो. Okay. इतनी मिर्ची खा के क्या करोगे यार, अच्छा नहीं.
मिर्ची नहीं होगी
ये इतना चेक करके बताएं कैसी सही है कि नहीं. फिल चेक करें. हाँ सही है, बेहतरीन, गुड हो गया. ओके जी, इट्स गुड. इट्स अप्रूव्ड बाय राशिद. Here we have the red tea, Shai Ahmed, and here we have our friend Rashid. Osama, your eyes are red. And here we have the Fulfill. Rashid, you like Fulfill? Yes.
This tea take from this spoon? That's
Sugar in it. Rashid, it's gonna be a sugar overdose since Rashid is sweet. Rashid is sweet. Anyways, we are gonna enjoy our tea, and that will be the end of it possibly, because we have to go back to work. See you soon. Oh,
इतनी मीठी की हुई है.
ज़्यादा मीठी हो गई. Now we are going. They usually say all is well that ends well, but some things didn't end well here, so we have to go now. Yeah, it's open. Now the maga is open. Yeah, Rashid, I want some tea.
Okay.
Yeah, please go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, let's
take
go. Why?
Let's go, inshallah, tomorrow. The time is finished, you know.
Now, why is the time finished? Why is the time finished?
यार समझ से पूछ के आना टाइम कितना है कल से फिर हम नहीं है फिर वरना
Sama, what do you say?
Because not actual is following the time. Sometime different.
Yeah, it's his
Sometime.
business. It's his discretion when he wants to open, when he wants to close. Osama, next time are we gonna come alone or are we gonna bring Rashid?
No, bring Rashid.
Why? Because he's
Cute.
cute.
yesterday my trading start 12 to 11
You're training?
No,
For
trading I check
Trading,
my share.
oh, okay.
Because I currently daily
Put
Sell
on the
and
seat
purchase.
belt. Put on the seat belt. So inshallah the trading will start tomorrow. So yeah, he made an account in the stock exchange. And he will inshallah trade tomorrow in the break time.
break time
Yeah, he will trade in the break time, Osama.
Oh.
We will not disturb him.
Okay, no problem.
if my heart is
Your heart.
Your heart is?
heart tell me go then I go.
Oh, okay. Okay. I see.
Money is a willpower, you know.
But I am sacrificing my trading for you. My heart says go with Rashid and Osama.
Yeah,
Osama,
that's
am I
You're
at
right.
loss?
No.
Am I at loss?
No.
Why?
Because if come with Mr. Rashid, then not loss.
What about you? What about you?
I don't know.
I see.
Purchase daily sell purchase. But daily buy daily purchase.
You are gonna do day trading?
Regular.
You have the temperament of a day trader?
Huh?
You have the temperament of a day trader? So Rashid was actually doing the trading when I was
No,
a
if you
kid.
buy regular shares, so it's my it depend on me.
Obviously, I know. But I'm saying that if it goes down quite a lot on a daily basis, then
So the company, most of company pay a dividend.
so you will keep it for the dividend, huh? But it can possibly take years to recover the amount. It can possibly take years to cover the amount of loss.
Maybe.
Okay, let's see how it goes. Yeah. Osama, when is your trading account opening?
Inshallah, maybe Monday, Tuesday.
Inshallah. Okay.
But I want help with Mr. Rashid.
Daily sales and daily purchase.
No, he wants help with the account opening.
Account opening.
Because you went through the procedure, you contacted CDC
Yes.
and all that. Okay, everyone. Thank you. Bye. Thank you for being a part of our little commute. Okay, Osama.
Okay.